Good morning class 8th. Today we will discuss about the displacement reactions, and in the previous video, that is the reactivity series, in that video I discussed with you the basic of these displacement reaction, and what is the basic here we are going to follow in this topic. Okay, what are displacement reaction? As the name suggests, what do you mean by displacement? That means replacement of one element by the other. But which element is going to replace other one, that we are going to discuss. The reaction in which more reactive metal displaces less reactive metal from its salt solution. हमारे पास जो reactivity series में more reactive element है like zinc, then the iron, then the zinc is able to displace the iron from its salt solution. But with that we have to discuss so many examples, and activity related to this is given in your book activity 4.8, that is in your NCERT. Okay, the first example is iron and copper sulfate. This activity you also did in class 7th. In that activity we have in a beaker we took copper sulfate solution, that is of blue color. Okay, and in that we put some iron nails. Firstly, you have to note the color of the solution. The color of the solution is blue, but after some time you will see whenever the reaction is going to occur, you will see there is a change in the color. That means the blue color is now changing to green color, and at the bottom of the beaker you will see the reddish brown deposits that are of copper. So what is the basic reaction is there? Iron plus copper sulfate. कॉपर सल्फेट के सोल्यूशन में हमने क्या ऐड किया था? आयरन नेल्स ऐड किए थे. तो हमारे सोल्यूशन का कलर, जो फेरस सल्फेट का कलर क्या होता है? दैट इज ऑफ ग्रीन कलर. जो हमारा सोल्यूशन पहले ब्लू कलर का था, द कलर चेंज इज ऑब्जर्व, द ब्लू कलर इज चेंजिंग टू green color. But why this change occurs? Why this change is there? Because this iron is more reactive than copper that we get from the reactivity series. This iron is more reactive than copper because this is a series in which the elements are arranged in the order of their decreasing order. This element is more reactive as compared to this element. Okay, in the next example the similar case is there. Copper sulfate plus zinc. Copper sulfate solution is having which color? Blue color. And when we add zinc granules in that, whenever the reaction is going to occur, because zinc is more reactive than the copper. ये idea हमें कहाँ से मिला? By learning the reactivity series. Zinc is here whereas copper is below that. So zinc is more reactive and copper is less reactive. So zinc is able to displace. Zinc क्या करेगा? Copper को इसके salt solution में से displace कर देगा, and it is going to form zinc sulfate and a copper that is of reddish brown at the bottom of the beaker. Next reaction, you will tell me the answer of this reaction. Zinc sulfate plus copper. Zinc sulfate plus copper. There is copper sulfate plus zinc, and in the below there is zinc sulfate plus copper. Is this reaction feasible? Is this reaction occur? Why or why not? Tell me the reason. Just think about it, whether this reaction will occur or not. This reaction is not feasible. This reaction will not occur because copper is less reactive whereas zinc is more reactive. So copper is not going to displace the zinc, so the reaction is not going to occur. That is, we get it from the reactivity series. The copper is here and the zinc on the copper is there. Okay, zinc is at the higher position and copper is at the lower one. Next is zinc sulfate plus iron. Think about, you will get the answer only from the reactivity series. Zinc and iron, which is more reactive? Is the zinc or the iron? Zinc is more reactive na, so that reaction will occur or not? This is not going to occur because iron is less reactive than zinc. And the last is copper sulfate plus iron. Find out this answer, whether this reaction is feasible or not, and let me know. Okay, so this is your today's lecture that is related to the displacement reaction. What is this reaction? The reaction in which more reactive metal displaces less reactive metal from its salt solution, and you will learn the reactivity series by which you will be able to answer the following questions. Okay.